Peace, everybody. My name is Dr. Tony Keith Jr., and this is my poem entitled Making Love. Some folks ain't know Black men could float up here, like this, where we are, us, flying inside the blue sky, flapping only our softest feathers, blowing kisses in between clouds, causing the wind to bounce us all around as if everything is meant to be buoyant up here where we are. Where our breath be verses written into the breeze, and so we hang glide across the tops of tall trees, suspending ourselves high above the bottom of sturdy bridges that were built on nothing but trust and faith alone. We are together up here where we are, where gravity keeps pulling us into our centers, causing our cores to warm and our middles to melt, and we just be Black skin, hot, smooth, and strong, with nails and fingers and toes and wrinkles on hands symmetrical to lines spread across our thick foreheads, where we just be Black marrow, deep, sweat-soaked, shined up and stashed inside trenches, burrowed inside our bones, where it just be dark, very, very sweet juice. Some folks ain't know we could squeeze within ourselves like this, all while holding on to each other up here where we are, us overlapping into one another, folding underneath brown flesh, peeling back and pulling up the private parts of us that keeps our entire Black bodies whole, and that makes our knuckles swell as if sucking in too much sugar and spitting out something divine. Ain't nobody up here but us. Thank you.